Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we'll see how to swap two numbers using variable concept. So here we'll create two variables first. Just for example, a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. Now we want to exchange these numbers. I want a as 5 and b as 10. How to do that? For that, what we'll do is we'll use third variable and I'll assign variable a. So now temp will point to value 10, right? Now next what I'll do is I'll take a equal to b. A is pointing to value 5. Because we created a third variable, temp is pointing to 10. So there is a reference. So we can access that value using name temp. Now I'll take b equal to temp and we are done. So let's write the program. This is our first program and here we are swapping two numbers using variable concept. Here first let's create two variables, a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. We want a value as 5, b value as 10. We want to exchange the values. So for that, create a third variable and assign variable a. Now a equal to b. Now I'll assign variable b to a. Half work is done. A value is 5. We want b value as 10. So here b is equal to temp. Now if I check a, it is 5 and b value is 10. Okay, so in this way we can swap the numbers using variable concept. Next in this video series we'll learn more basic concepts like input function, output function and many more. We'll improvise this program. We can write this program using input function and output function. So after learning that concept, we'll improvise this program. Okay. For now, in this way, you can swap two numbers using variable concept. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.